How to change billing address in Amazon Prime Video. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Amazon Prime Video app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. In this home screen, at the bottom right corner, you can see your account's icon. Tap on it. Now at the top right, you can see the settings icon. Select that. From here, you can choose this My Account option and select this Manage Account. From here, you need to select this Edit on Amazon option. It will prompt you to the Amazon Prime Video website. From here, you need to sign into your account again. So enter your email address and your password and log into your account. After you are logged in, head over to the Accounts and Settings page. In this page, you can see this Set Payment Method option. Tap on it. You will be prompted to this Your Payments page. From here, you can change your billing address. You can add a different payment method over here. Enter the name on the card, enter the card number, provide the expiration date of the card. Make sure you provide the precise information of your card. And once you are done, you can tap on this Add Your Card option. And if you have multiple billing addresses, you can choose from it in order to make one a default payment. So that's how you can easily change your billing address in Amazon Prime Video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.